A shooting star streaks across the sky as I wonder where it will land. I wonder if the wish I'd made upon it will fall into my hands. Wish come true, but not from seeing a shooting star and making our demands. They come true by dreaming, working hard, never quitting, and following God's commands. Which big, dream grand, work hard, love strong, and trust in God's hands. This is the recipe for making dreams come true. A shooting star streaks across the sky as my kids wonder where it will land. They remember the lessons I taught them about dreams coming true by putting their lives in God's hands. They taught those lessons to their kids who now have taken command. They follow the recipe I taught their parents, and successfully they now stand. Wish big, dream grand, work hard, love strong, and trust in God's hands. This is the recipe for making dreams come true. Shooting star streaks across the sky, moved on from this land. It was a sign I sent them to show them that with God I now stand.